Complete the alphabets task. B, D, A, C, H, E, F, G. K, I, L, J, P, O, N, M, Q, T, S, R, U, W, X, V, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, V, P. A for apple, A for ant. B for ball, B for bus. C for cat, C for car. D for dog, D for drum. E for elephant, E for egg. F for fish, F for frog. G for goat, G for grass. H for hen, H for house. I for igloo, I for ice cream. J for juice, J for jelly. K for kangaroo, K for kite. L for lollipop, L for lion. M for mango, M for monkey. N for nest, N for notebook. O for orange, O for owl. P for parrot, P for pot. Q for quail, Q for queen. R for rabbit, R for ring. S for strawberry, S for sun. T for tiger, T for train. U for umbrella, U for Yusuf. V for violin, V for van. W for wheel, W for window. X for xylophone, X for X-ray. Y for yacht, Y for yarn. Z for zebra, Z for zoo.